Okay, Tommy, you can pick one present.
Thank you, Daddy. Yes. I can't wait. Okay, only one?
Yes,
Okay,
only one.
Okay. I'm so excited. Merry Christmas, everyone. The next time you see my face, hopefully I will have strip lights up in my room and it'll look a lot better. But anyway, I hope you guys are having a happy holiday. And I also hope, well, if you guys do not celebrate the holiday, I hope you can still have fun in this time of year. And also, everyone who is kind of struggling this time of year to find joy, whether their grandparent died or someone in their family died, or if they just don't have any family or friends to celebrate the holiday with, I hope you guys still find joy this holiday season. That's all I got for this video, very short video today. Merry Christmas and happy holidays.